Robots cooking. Step into the future of dining at the robot-run restaurant. Imagine a world where your dinner is prepared by a culinary genius with steel hands and a silicon brain. Welcome to the future of dining, where robots don their chef hats. But don't just think assembly lines and cold machinery. These kitchen wizards are flipping burgers, spinning pizzas, and even crafting Michelin star-worthy dishes. Does this sound like sci-fi? Well, it's happening right now, from Boston to San Francisco, and it's reshaping our food landscape in ways you can't even imagine. Hey there, tech enthusiasts and foodies alike. This is Virtual Reality James, bringing you the sizzle and buzz from the most innovative corners of our world. Today, we're diving into an Epicurean adventure like no other on robots cooking. Step into the future of dining at the robot-run restaurant. Forget your traditional chefs and kitchens. We're exploring how robotic arms are not just a part of sci-fi movies anymore, but are taking over real kitchens, making pizzas that are healthier than ever, and even managing to serve up dishes in record time. From the robotic walks of Boston's Spice restaurant to the precision of San Francisco's Creator burger assembly lines, we're on a journey to discover how these mechanical marvels are not just cooking up storms, but also serving a side of innovation and efficiency. So, strap in, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get ready to feast our eyes on the future of food. Zoom Pizza, a slice of the future. Zoom Pizza, originally known as Zoom Pizza, revolutionized pizza delivery with its blend of robotics and gourmet. Founded in 2015, Zoom's vision was to automate pizza production and delivery, using robots for tasks like dough kneading and sauce spreading, and cooking pizzas in GPS-equipped vans en route to customers. This unique approach not only ensured piping hot deliveries, but also promised healthier pizzas with less human error. However, Zoom faced challenges. The logistics of baking in a moving vehicle and maintaining quality standards led to the shelving of robot-made pizzas, marking a critical learning curve in the journey of culinary robotics. Spice Restaurant, Boston. Walks and robots. In Boston's Spice Restaurant, the future tastes like a customizable, bowl-based menu cooked by a robotic kitchen. Founded by MIT students craving nutritious, affordable meals, Spice marries technology with taste. The robotic kitchen features 7 wok stations that use induction heating and ensure even cooking. With a starting price point of $7.50, customers can choose from a variety of dishes, including vegan and gluten-free options. The involvement of Michelin-starred chef Daniel Boulud ensures a gourmet touch, blending the precision of robots with the artistry of traditional cooking. The benefits of robotic kitchens. Addressing modern challenges. Ease in high-rent cities and labor shortages, robotic kitchens, like Spice's, provide solutions to challenges in high-rent urban areas and during labor shortages. For instance, Sweetgreen's acquisition of Spice aims to enhance customer experience by leveraging automated kitchens for faster, more accurate order fulfillment. The pandemic has amplified the need for robotics in the food industry, not only for minimizing human contact for safety, but also for addressing workforce shortages. Cost efficiency meets quality. The shift to robotics in kitchens isn't just about battling operational challenges. It's also a strategic move towards cost efficiency. By reducing labor costs, businesses can invest more in quality ingredients. This paradigm shift enables a focus on healthier, responsibly sourced food options, making good food more accessible. Human and machine collaboration, the best of both worlds. Insights from MIT and beyond. While specific insights from MIT on productivity and human-machine teams were not accessible, it is known that collaborative efforts between humans and machines can lead to enhanced productivity and innovation. The synergy of human creativity and machine precision creates an optimal environment for culinary and operational excellence. Real-world applications. Harmony in the kitchen places like Zoom Pizza and Spice Restaurant exemplify successful human-machine collaborations. At Zoom Pizza, even though the fully automated model evolved, the human element remained crucial in preparing and ensuring the quality of food. Similarly at Spice, while robots handle the cooking, human staff play a vital role in customer service and final dish presentation, illustrating how technology and human touch can coexist harmoniously in the culinary world. Hey, are you still with us, or did the thought of robot-prepared burgers teleport you to the future? If you're still in 2023, drop a comment below and let us know. If you could have a robot make you any meal, what would it be? The most creative answer might just be featured in our next video. Keep watching and keep those futuristic food fantasies coming. Revolutionizing the burger experience. In the heart of San Francisco, something remarkable is happening at the Creator Burger restaurant. Imagine a scene where your burger isn't just made. It's crafted with precision by a seamless automated assembly line. This isn't a glimpse of the distant future. It's happening right now. Burgers glide along a mesmerizing conveyor belt, each element placed with robotic perfection. It's not just about the novelty, it's about elevating the humble burger to a symphony of culinary technology. Not too far off, Cali Burger introduces us to Flippy, not your average kitchen assistant. Picture a robotic arm, not unlike something out of a sci-fi movie, flipping burgers with unerring accuracy. Flippy isn't just a gadget, it's a glimpse into a future where AI and robotics blend seamlessly into our culinary experiences, ensuring consistency and precision in every bite. Meanwhile, in homes around the world, Amazon Alexa-enabled devices are transforming kitchens. Voice-controlled appliances are not just about convenience, they're about creating an interactive culinary experience. From preheating ovens to getting recipe suggestions, these devices make cooking less of a chore and more of an engaging, personalized journey. Pioneering health and accessibility in Food Sally the vending machine is redefining what a vending machine can be. Far from the traditional snacks and sodas, Sally offers customizable, healthy meals. Placed in various locations from offices to public spaces, Sally brings nutritious options to the forefront, making healthy eating not just accessible but also intriguingly futuristic. In hospitals, where nutrition is paramount, the focus on healthy meal options around the clock marks a critical shift. The integration of technology in hospital kitchens ensures that patients have access to nutritious meals tailored to their specific health needs, anytime. And there you have it, folks. A tantalizing taste of the future, served up by our robotic culinary comrades. If you're hungry for more such futuristic feasts and tech treats, don't forget to subscribe to Virtual Reality James. Join our journey as we continue to explore the delectable delights of tomorrow's dining. Click that subscribe button. Your appetite for innovation will thank you.